Wow, what a night. The entire city is working on their credit. Life doesn't get much better than this. What is that? What is that noise? What the? Oh, gee. Hey, listen. I was gonna call you. I swear. What? Oh, this is that thing you were telling me about, right? I'm not gonna tell him that, man. That's a. Okay. I'll tell him. I swear. Let's just say Victoria's Secret has another secret I'm gonna tell you. The Victoria's Secret credit card. Now, why is this card so special? I'm gonna tell you. It's basically a free primary account. How is it free? I'll tell you that. No hard inquiry, no upfront cost. It reports to all 3 credit bureaus. It's easy to get. It is, in my opinion, the best card to get if you're trying to build your credit because of all those reasons. Now, a lot of you are probably thinking, okay, well, I don't shop at Victoria's Secret. Who cares? It doesn't matter. The card will help you establish your credit, and it's easy to get. Now, I'm going to show you a trick on how to get this card without getting a hard inquiry. First thing you want to do is make sure you go to the opt-in, opt-out website. Enter in all your information, but make sure that the information you enter matches completely with what you enter on the Victoria's Secret website later. We'll get to that. So go to the opt-in, opt-out website, enter in your information. When it comes to the address, make sure if you put in unit number, remember that you put in unit number. Don't switch it to apartment number or something like that, because that can cause problems down the road. Now, you also want to wait about a week or two before you try this if you haven't gone to the opt-in, opt-out website, because it takes some time for this to circulate through the system. This is great for credit profiles that are new or CPNs. So anyways, after you enter your information into the opt-in, opt-out website, you want to go to the Victoria's Secret website. Now, make sure you put your browser in incognito mode using Google Chrome. Then what you need to do is you need to go and put in at least $100 inside your cart. It doesn't matter what you pick because you're probably not going to buy this stuff anyway. You're just trying to get the card. So then go through all those steps, put the over $100 in your cart. Now it's important you click check out as guest. Okay? Now they're going to ask you to enter in your information. This is important. Make sure the information you enter matches what you put in on the opt-out, opt-in website. Once you do all that and click submit, a little pop-up that looks like this should pop up. If it does, you're in business. Now just go through the motions and accept the card. They're not going to ask you for your social, so you won't get a hard inquiry. Now, if you don't get that pop-up, don't worry too much. Your profile may not be in the system, or your credit may not be good enough. But I know for a fact they're very lenient when it comes to credit scores and credit histories. Just do what I tell you, and you'll get a free primary. That way you can start building your credit. I know Comenity Capital isn't good as an authorized user account because it doesn't report, but it's great as a primary account for you to help you build your credit. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Crusader out.